I'm going to teach you how to make the AI write just like you.
Did I tell you what happened yesterday?
No.
You know how I trained the 5-year-olds football team?
Yeah.
So I got the task of writing a training plan for the coming months. And then I also had to draft an email. And I couldn't find the energy. So I just used AI to do it. And so I sent it off. And then 2 minutes later, I get the feedback from the head coach. And she's like, is this AI written? So I got busted.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh shit, I should have done it myself.
I mean, you're not alone. People who apply for jobs, they use AI a lot and they get caught a lot. And it happens everywhere. But I have a tip for you.
Okay.
Because Anthropic, that's the developer of Claude, has created a new functionality that can just fix this. There's a button here where you can click and you get different styles. Okay, so you can have it write normal style, concise, explanatory, and so on. But the coolest thing is that you can create your own writing style. So you click here, it says custom style, and here you can just write exactly the style that you want, the way that you write.
Describe it?
Yeah, you just describe how you write, words that you don't like to have in there, and so on. No cliches, for instance. For me, I want concise writing. But the cool thing also is that you can upload things that you've written before. So I write newspaper articles sometimes, so I just upload them. And then it trains itself to write in my style. If I asked it to write a newspaper article about generative AI and loneliness, it's a good topic, then it starts writing like me. And I like to use a lot of examples. I try to be funny sometimes. I try to be concise and so on. And it actually has that style. That's really helpful for me because, this is not the end result of an article, but it's a very good start. So when you write to the head coach, use this instead. Much better.
I will next time. Thank you so much.
Of course.